Hello everyone, Archana here, and I am here with another beautiful, super soft and shabby kit, and this kit called the Lush, and I have used all new lemon craft collection called yesterday. So I will show you what included in this kit. So of course this kit has full paper pad, the collection kit 12 by 12, and it has 6 double-sided papers. So let's see all the papers in detail. So these are the beautiful luscious paper, very soft. Beautiful papers. I already had a video of these papers, so if you want more detail, please check the video. I have link below. And this one. So this full collection pad is included. Along with that, 18 of the 6 by 6 papers. So quickly we will check. So these are one-sided papers. Such a soft and pastel colors. So these 18 6 by 6 papers are in this kit, and along with that I have added these 3 A4 sheets, which are cutouts, but you have to fussy cut them. Beautiful images, and back side is white. And then this one, they are kind of ephemera, but they are not already, or they are not pre-cut. All the butterflies, beautiful colors. So this one, and then you will get one of the 4-piece button set, and then some ephemera. Eight of these. And then for the embellishment part, I have added scrap knit decorative chipboards, which are beautiful, and the quality you don't need to think about. They are so pretty and beautiful delicate die cuts. So cute. And then the big one has this really beautiful 2-layer window. So cute. And then I have added this Creative Basics dotted wings butterfly die set, and this is LDRS creative dies, and I will show you. These are beautiful, so delicate, and they look so amazing on a project. So I'll show you what I created using the same kit. Here is the cute little card for you to show what I have used. So all the embellishments from the kit, and look at these butterflies. So there are 2 separate butterfly cutouts. So these 2 I have layered on these 2, and this bow, it's like this thing will not come out. This is attached, so it looks so cute. If you put some foam dot underneath, it will stay like that 3D effect. And the banner kind of this banner die cut I have used underneath here. You can see 1, 2, 3. They are so cute, and butterflies is my weak point, so whenever I see butterflies I'll just put in my kit. So this is the chipboard which I have shown here. So this one I have used here, super delicate, very pretty. So this is the card I wanted to show you as an example. So this die cut die set is here in this kit, and I have added this lace. I specially ordered for this kit. See closely and you will see the lace here on this page, right here and here. Maybe the similar lace is somewhere inside, which I can show you. You can see right here on the background. So I got the similar lace, almost match with this kit. So this 18-inch lace is in this kit, and then one more 18-inch lace. This is smaller one, and then another 18-inch which has these flowers, and one cute applique, and two silk flower by Prima's Love Story flowers, and then 1 yard of each ivory and pink colored seam binding. And I'm going to show the flower part. So I have added these big ones, two-toned Wild Orchid Craft roses, wild roses. They are so beautiful, and it goes really well with this kit, since this kit has these multi-tone roses all over. You can see here, right? Almost close, almost perfect, you know. So these are in this kit, and since this kit has two-toned roses, these all roses are two-toned. I will open the other page where you can see these roses properly. So you can see here the two colors, orange kind of, and not orange but peach and pink. So these are Wild Orchid Crafts 10 mm, really cute roses, and then 10 of the two-tone rosebuds, and 10 of the large two-tone hip rosebuds, and two-tone 10 of these fern leaves, 10 of these two-tone filler flowers by Wild Orchid Crafts, and 10 of the white ones, and 10 of these two-toned roses and ivory. So 5 of the two-tone and 5 of the ivory roses. You can see these roses, they are perfectly matched with this kit. So these all flowers are included in this kit, and I have some flat back pearl in 3 different sizes, and 2 stick pins. So this is the kit right now available in limited quantity. So please, if you want, check it out, the below link, and tomorrow I'm going to post the perfect shabby chic summer kit, which is Seaside Stories. So stay tuned for next kit, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.